Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you to this video number 4. A synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. We had seen in the last video that they made the house, K house. They had built oppressive. Means oppressive. That means hard to bear, because there was no light, there was none in a favorable condition, and so to remedy this, father and Jock rigged up a new light. They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. This family made the house, a house, which was oppressive, means which was not easy to bear, it was hard to bear. So to remedy this, father and Jack rigged up a new light, and they found a bamboo pole and that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. One day, they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. So one day, after some days, this family, Robinson's family, had been found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed, and also the cultivated fields around it had been trampled. Trampled means to destroy by the foot, and ruined means totally damaged, and there were huge footmarks everywhere. So why it was damaged, and they have been found that there were the huge footmarks everywhere in the field, in the cultivated field. Father saw massive damage to trees as well as many huge footprints, which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. So father identified that, so that the one of the herd of elephants might have come in these cultivated fields and to the herds, and that's why these herds and the cultivated fields of this family had been destroyed, had been completely ruined because of the elephant's herd, who identified this Robinson. Next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. So because the wild animals were coming now and then, and they were destroying the herds and their house and their cultivated lands, and that is where they made the plan. They designed a new defense to combat, to fight, to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. To discourage means not to allow them to come to their cultivated lands, and so they designed a new plan. They also finalized their ideas about the new residence rather than building a house on stilts. And also they made another plan. They also finalized their ideas about the new residence, about their new house, rather than building a house on stilts, because it was they built the house on the stilt. On the stilt means one of a pair of poles with rest for foot, so which the elephants could knock down easily. Knock down means easily. They were damaged. They damaged easily. Growing easily. They would use for 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. the trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. This built another safe home. So they made the new plan to design a new house, new residence, rather than a building house on stilts, because this type of the house, elephants could damage easily, knock down, and that's why they would use 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. So means they wanted to use the 4 strong trees for their house, for their constructing house, and these trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart, and thus they built another safe home. 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men, and their parents were very proud. They called the island New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. So 10 years passed, and during this period, these young boys grown up and they became men, and that's what their parents were very proud. They became happy to see their kids, because they grown up and they were looking young, and they called the island New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. So because they faced many problems, many difficulties, many incidents, many adventures, and during this 10 years periods, means in one decade, on the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross which was threatening to attack him, and found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross. Albatross means it is one kind of bird. It is one kind of bird, a large wave bird. And who found that? Fritz found such type of the bird, albatross, which was threatening to attack him, and found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. So it was a large bird, and he was wounded, and so that his leg was tied with rag. Rag means the one is a small cloth, a piece of cloth, and with that piece of cloth, that his leg was tied because he was wounded. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. Fritz had no idea how old the message was. Actually, that the albatross, which was a large wave bird, and his leg was tied with a piece of cloth. And what was the message on that piece of cloth? That was the message that an English woman had been stranded. Stranded means left alone, helpless. There was one woman who left alone, helpless. It was the message on the piece of cloth which was tied on the legs of the albatross. His father suggested on the smoking rock. Where was the woman? She was on the smoking rock. Fritz had no idea how old the message was. His father suggested that the smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, the bird might have come from the hundreds of miles away. However, Fritz felt that the someone needed his help, and he was determined to his best to find the sender. Fritz had no idea how old the message was. His father suggested that smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano. Smoking rock means that helpless woman, left alone helpless woman. She was on the that smoking rock. So the father suggested that what is the mean by the smoking rock? He given the reference to a volcano. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, and the bird might have come from the hundreds of miles away. So father suggested that the albatross bird might have come from the hundreds of miles away. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help, because they know that was the message. That was the message. The left alone helpless woman, and who was on the smoking rock, and she was needed someone's help, and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. So who sent the message? So he wanted to find out the sender. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rack. So before returning home, that Fritz note down on the rack and tied it to the albatross leg, and had watched the bird fly off. The note told, however, received it: "Do not despair. Help is near." Fritz then successfully, and what was the message which was written by the Fritz? That she written the message and on the piece of cloth, and that was tied tied to the leg of the albatross. And what was the message? Do not despair. Help is near. That was the message which was written by the Fritz, and then successfully rescued the young woman. And what was the young woman? Who was the young woman? Jenny Montrose. Jenny Montrose, so shy at first, soon, and she got used to living with the Robinson family. And so after that, she used to live with his Robinson's family when after rescue from that place, and she used to live with this Robinson family. Jenny Montrose. At first she was shy, but after becoming familiar with this family, she got used to living with the Robinson family. So that is the end of the para, and in the next video we will continue.